Hey everybody, this is Mike with Diverse Dimensions. Making a short little video here with some pointers on how to make your annotations a little more user-friendly. The first thing that you're going to want to do is go to the Tools Options page, and then under Display you'll find Annotations. You're going to want to click here. If you uncheck this button, what that will do is it will allow your annotation to still be visible even if it's hidden by a piece of the CAD. A lot of times that is very useful to have that unchecked because certain geometries of CAD models do not allow for all of your intended annotations to be visible otherwise. So it's nice to toggle between checked and unchecked on that one. Another thing you can do is open this up here, go to positioning, and change it from close to object to close to border. And if you click apply here, you'll notice that all of your annotations will pop out to the edges, making them all nice and visible on one page here. It allows for nice and neat reporting. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching.